Hey guys, welcome to BISH'S RV. My name's Sam. It's a great day here on the lot. So let me ask you a question. What's the first thing you think of when you think of RVs? Well, for me, it's Winnebago, and that's exactly what we have here. So Winnebago Mini Winnie. Now, this is a nice little small fifth wheel. So on this unit in particular, you've got fiberglass side. You've got pass-through storage here with magnet latches here, and you can see under there, there's pass-through storage. Looks like you've probably got some extra storage here with the magnet latch. It's nice because you don't have to worry about this slamming down. You just put it up and it stays up. It's a nice feature. And on this unit in particular, so you've got a few things I want to talk about. So you've got the off-road package. What that affords you is bigger tires here. That's a nice touch. You've also got heated and enclosed underbellies. So the heat is going to circulate underneath the unit. It just keeps the unit nice and warm. You've also got the extreme weather package. Now that just is in regards to insulation. It's going to be a very well insulated unit. You're not going to be out camping in the winter and you're not going to get cold as opposed to the summer. You know, it's got good AC, so it'll be nice and comfortable in the summertime. Now you walk inside the unit here, and this is a very well built unit. So in this unit you've got marine grade tongue and groove plywood flooring. Now in a couple of other my videos I've talked about OSB. Now some manufacturers, I don't want to call anybody out, but they use OSB. Rains a lot here in Oregon, and so if you get wet floors, you got OSB, you're susceptible to getting soft floors. Not with marine grade tongue and groove plywood flooring. Now it looks like you've also got solid surface Corian countertops here. There's going to be solid countertops, and it looks like you've got a tile backsplash here, which is a nice touch in the kitchen. Obviously you've got your stove and your microwave here and your oven. Now you've got a two-way fridge here. Two-way fridge, you can run it off gas, you can run it off propane. You've got the controls right up here. Now another thing I like about this unit is the furniture. So it looks like you've got a leather package here. So you've got a nice leather couch here. This folds out into a bed, and then you've got your dinette right there. Same kind of thing. And then this, you know, if you need to sleep extra people, this is a small fifth wheel. But what makes this unit special is there aren't a lot of fifth wheels this size. I mean, we carry a bunch of fifth wheels, and just off the top of my head, I'd have to say probably most of our fifth wheels are in the at least 32 to 40 foot range. This is 24 feet. So, I mean, this is a fifth wheel and really a travel trailer size, which is something rare that you don't see a lot. Another thing I noticed about this unit, and so instead of having particle board cabinets here, you've got real wood cabinets. I mean, these are solid cabinets. You're not going to have to worry about these breaking as much. They're solid, you know, and they're just solid wood cabinets, and that's a nice touch as well. It just speaks to the manufacturing that Winnebago does. Now you see here you've got a Bluetooth stereo. So I like rap music. It's what I listen to. So I mean, I could connect my phone right here to this Bluetooth stereo and just sit here, relax, and just start jamming out, man. Just start jamming out. I mean, this is a nice, comfortable fifth wheel, and it's just nice because you just don't see many fifth wheels of this size, you know, that are going to be versatile, that are going to be small, and it's a nice unit, and it's a 2020, so you're not going to have the jacked up pricing on this one that you'll have on newer units. Now you step up into the bedroom and the bath here. You've got your shower right here. It's a nice size shower. I step in here and I don't feel crammed in here. I've got plenty of room to maneuver around. I'm not going to be in here feeling smushed. You got your sink and toilet right here, and then you've got a walk around bed in here. So when this looks to me, I'd have to check this, but this looks to me like a queen size bed. It's a walk around bed. And then you've got some nice tall closet space right here, and these closets are deep, man. I mean, that's deeper than the ocean right there. You know, you could got plenty of room back there to hang stuff. And then it looks like you've got some USB plugins above the bed there. But overall, this is a solid unit, and I appreciate your time today. So if you like the unit, if you like me, my nickname's Sideways Sam, hit like and subscribe. Thanks.